Pugnios, Andy with Tech Influence here with an awesome case enclosure, including a non-yellowing clear case to be able to protect your iPhone 15 Pro. We know it's brittle. There's been some durability tests that are happening. Having something like this really awesome case from the folks at Tieszen is a great way to do so. Before we jump into it, Tieszen did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. So check those out here, guys, as well as all the other products here. Let's open this up, demonstrate it, set it all up so that you guys can use this and protect your phone here from mishaps, your active lifestyle, etc. Unboxing is super straightforward here. It's got everything that you need here and accessories to be able to obviously set it up and put it together. It's all recyclable as well. The best part about this here is this has one of these visibility screens here. So if you're at the office and you have sensitive information on your phone, if you're on the train or you're on the bus and you don't want to make sure that people can't look over your shoulder, you have this great screen protector here to be able to protect your privacy. What's nice here is the screen protectors are made out of 9H material, so they are tempered glass, which is great. You've also got a lens protector here that we will be installing. Let's go and attach the screen protector. First, you peel off the top and bottom, and then you're gonna go ahead and lay it flat. Make sure you don't place this on an already placed screen. What I like to do is go from the bottom up and then kind of press on the center and then kind of guide it through the rest as it lays flat and gives you that complete coverage from the entire phone. The same principle applies here for the clear one if that's something that you're interested in. Let's go ahead and move into the camera protector. I'm going to peel that off as well. I really like it's got similar highlights here all around the phone. We're going to make sure that it lands flat. You're going to have the LED light here at the top and the clear one at the bottom. There it is. You're going to grant yourself enough time here for this to adhere. Now that it's adhered here, you're going to go ahead now and peel off the back of the crystal clear case. And now you've got yourself your full enclosure. You're going to kind of clamshell it in place. And there you have it. Super easy installation, super simple. You've got this really nice privacy screen on there now. No bubbles. You got Magsafe on the back, and you've even got a 9H hardness here for the camera bump as well, giving you that all-around protection that you need. Coming up close here, as you can see, you've got an enclosure here for the speaker grill, which allows you that dust-proof and waterproof resistance all the way around the phone here as well, giving you the clicky buttons, and it's nice. What's nice is it's made out of that hardened polycarbonate material and tempered glass. It's going to allow for drop grade protection and also MagSafe, which is cool. Here is the privacy screen. As you can see, it disappears after 45 degrees. So it's got like this 45-degree angle. So if you're looking straight at it, you can see, but as you tilt it, it disappears, which is really cool. I like that a lot. MagSafe is still capable. I'm going to go ahead and connect this 5,000 milliamp battery. It just snaps right into place. It starts charging immediately. You still have the option of USB-C charging if you want to do that. You can also do some content creation if that's something you're interested in. I've got this SnapGrip device from the folks at ShiftCam. This also acts as a 5,000 milliamp battery at 5 watts, which is great. It's got a really cool shutter button that you can opt into to take pictures and video. You've got a light here if you want to have content creation here as well. You can go ahead and opt into this tripod stand as well as this tripod, which is really cool. I like it. Lastly here, if you wanted something a little more travel friendly, 3-in-1 for your Apple Watch, your AirPods, you've got this Murpiso 3-in-1 case. It's even LEDs, which is cool. It acts as a desk buddy, and it's super compact and it's really, really light. So if travel and minimalist is your jam, this thing is tight, it's tiny, and it goes by USB, which is cool. With that said, Tieszen makes an awesome product here, whether you're opting into the UV protectant case or if you have this privacy screen here. I think it's a great option to be able to protect yourself, not only from folks looking over your shoulder or being on the bus or on the train, but having something that has that military drop grade protection and non-yellowing clear case is really awesome. I've got the white titanium. It looks really cool juxtaposed against the blue, and this is a really sleek case to opt into. The folks at Tieszen did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out, guys. It does help out the channel. Otherwise, Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one, guys.